Hello, beautiful people. My name is Miss Dotrup Odum. I am the CEO of Dotrup Consulting Limited, based in Lagos City, Nigeria. You are welcome to the course titled Amazon KDP from Scratch. We'll be focusing on paperback book and ebook publishing. I am so blessed that you would join me on this course. However, I need to let you know why I am fit to teach you what I already know. By God's grace, Watch Maidens Ministries has published over 30 books on Amazon. And by God's special grace, I headed the team that published each and every one of those 30 books. Is that not exciting? This course has 12 modules, and these 12 modules will be broken down in detail to guide you through your journey. The modules include Introduction to Self-Publishing, Preparing Your Manuscript, Designing a Cover, Setting up your KDP Amazon account, Setting up your book details, Reviewing and publishing your book, Marketing and promotion strategies, Tracking sales and analytics, Expanding distribution, Maintaining your book and author brand, and so on. In addition, I will be showing you the do's and don'ts of publishing on Amazon. You will be learning from my mistakes so that you don't repeat the same mistakes. By God's grace, I have recorded this success story of over 30 books being published in respect of Watch Maidens Ministry. As my student, I hope and pray for you to do 10 times better than me. Each module will consist of video lessons, downloadable materials, and practical exercises for each student to take their publishing from the manuscript level to being on Amazon. Additionally, there will be a community forum created for students to ask questions, learn from each other, and support each other on this self-publishing journey. With that being said, let's go right into module 1.